ready to give your child a head start on financial literacy while maintaining complete control over their spending. First, ensure you have family sharing set up. Open your iPhone settings and tap on your name at the top. If you don't see family sharing, you'll need to set that up first, but if you do, tap on family sharing. Now, scroll down within the family sharing menu and tap on Apple Cash. If it says set up Apple Cash, tap that. You will now see your child's name. Make sure the toggle for parental controls is switched on. This is crucial for managing their spending. Next to your child's name, you will see the word Manage. Tap Manage to access their Apple Cash account settings. Here, you can set a weekly spending limit to help them learn budgeting and prevent overspending. You can also enable notifications to stay informed about their transactions. Your child can now use Apple Pay for purchases within the limits you set. They can use it online, in apps, and in stores where Apple Pay is accepted. Remember, you'll receive notifications for their spending, and you can adjust the spending limit and review their activity at any time through your family sharing settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up Apple Pay for your child, empowering them to learn about responsible spending under your watchful eye. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.